Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on all the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the world of home cleaning with the Ultenic T10 Elite robot vacuum and mop. Let's see if this sleek little device lives up to the hype. I'm your host, and let's get right into it. First off, let's talk about design. The Ultenic T10 Elite comes in a compact and lightweight package, making it easy to maneuver around your home. With its slim body and smart litter technology, this robot vacuum can glide effortlessly under furniture and map out your rooms with impressive accuracy. Now, let's talk performance. Equipped with 3 powerful suction settings, this robot vacuum tackles hard floors, fitted carpets, and even Persian rugs with ease. Its litter navigation ensures it doesn't miss a spot, while the app allows you to schedule cleanings and control the device from anywhere. Speaking of control, the Ultenic T10 Elite gives you multiple options. Whether it's through the app, voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant, or the included remote control, you have full command over this cleaning powerhouse. Now, let's talk about the mop feature. While it's a nice extra, don't expect it to replace your traditional mopping routine. It's great for spot cleaning and handling spills, but for larger jobs, you might want to stick to a dedicated mop. Battery life is another highlight of the Ultenic T10 Elite. With up to 160 minutes of continuous use on a full charge, this robot vacuum can cover a lot of ground before needing to recharge. So, what's the verdict? The Ultenic T10 Elite offers impressive suction power, smart navigation, and convenient controls, all at a reasonable price. However, its mop feature may not be a game-changer for everyone, and it can get a bit loud during self-emptying. Overall, if you're in the market for a versatile robot vacuum, the Ultenic T10 Elite is worth considering. And that's a wrap for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on the latest tech. Until next time, happy cleaning!